Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In today's video, we are solving LeetCode problem, and that is the third maximum number, LeetCode number 414, by using the JavaScript. The goal is simple: find the third distinct maximum number in the array. If it does not exist, return the maximum number. So let's read the problem statement. Given an integer array nums, return the third distinct maximum number in the array. If the third number does not exist, return the maximum number. So our goal is the simple: find the third distinct maximum number in the array, and if it does not exist, just return the maximum number from the array. So it sounds easy, but there is a small twist. We only count distinct value, right? So let's break it down step by step. By using this example number first, we have an array nums 3, 2, 1. The values in the 3 to 1. So output here is the 1. Why? Because the first distinct maximum number is 3, second number is the 2, third number is the 1, right? But if in the example number 2 we have nums 1 and 2, so here output is the 2 because there is no third element in this array. So return the maximum 1 from this array. And in the example number 3, nums array, we have 2, 2, 3, 1. So here output is the 1. Why? Because the first distinct maximum number is the 1. Sorry, 3. Then second distinct maximum number is a 2, right? And both two are counted here. Means both two are counted here since they have the same value. So third distinct number is the 1. That's why output here is the 1. So we have to cover all these three types of cases, these three types of scenario. So first, let's write the code by means our first approach is like somehow sort the array in the descending order. Like here we have 3, 2, 1 and these type of things, and remove duplicate using the test set. Yes, we have the set in the JavaScript that remove the duplicates from an array, and we can access the third index value from this. So let's see in the code. First we have to sort the array, nums.sort just a comma b, and this time we do not write the a minus b, we write the b minus a, because we have to sort in the descending order, not in the ascending. So now after sorting, just make a set, const set is equal to new set and nums of this. Now all the duplicates are removed from this, and now let's convert into the again array by using this set, and just use the spread operator and it make a new array of this new values. And if nums dot length is smaller than 2, means this one case, in the example number 2 case, I am taking this one first because this one is the edge case. If there is the length greater than or equal to 2, smaller than equal to 2, just return the maximum number, because we already sort the array, so maximum number always come at the index number or index at 0th index. So return nums of 0. Now after this, if because the array is sorted and there is no duplicate, just return the nums of index of 2, because 0, 1, 2. And let's try to submit, run the solution. Yes, it is accepted. Let's try to submit. Yes, it passed all the test cases. The 34 test cases are passed from this. And the idea here is single one, means first sort the array in descending, means 3 to 1, and like a 2, 2, 3, 1. So it's become 3, 2, 2, 1. And after that we use the set to remove the duplicates, means here we get the 3, 2, 1 as the final nums, and we apply if the num stored length is smaller than or equal to 2. So we have to just return the maximum, and here maximum is at the 0th index because we already sorted, and else we have to return the third maximum number that come as the second index. It is easy to understand, just a few lines of code, but it is not efficient because sorting takes an extra time, right? It's take a big of n log and the sorting takes, so we have to optimize it. Now instead of sorting, we track the three numbers, that is like maximum, uh, first the maximum number, then the second maximum, the third maximum. So and update them in one loop, means if I found the maximum number, just update the maximum number, and that maximum value comes to the second maximum, and the second maximum value comes to the third value. So let's write the code, you will see it clearly. So let max is equal to minus infinity, let second max equal to minus infinity, let third maximum number here is the minus infinity, means all of them are is the very small value in the minus infinity value. So start a for loop here, for let I equal to 0, I smaller than nums dot length, and I plus plus, a normal for loop. And we have to check one thing is, if nums of I value is greater than the maximum value, then we have to update the nums of I into this. So third maximum value is get second maximum value, and second maximum value get the maximum value, and the maximum value get the nums of I, right? And so this condition says the if nums of I is greater than max. If it is smaller than max and greater than second max, then if nums of I is greater than second max, then we have to take out the second maximum value into the third one, and second maximum value get the nums of I, right? And else if only if it is again smaller than the second maximum value but it is greater than the third maximum value, then just update the third maximum value, so nums of I. So this is how means we get the values. Let's run this, and also I get the three values, maximum, second maximum, and third maximum. And we use the maximum value when there is only two elements exist in the array. We use the third maximum value when there are the greater than, means for the normal cases. So we have to return this value based on this. Third maximum value if is equal to minus infinity, then pass the maximum value, because I did not get any value in the third maximum value, so just pass the maximum value, else pass the third maximum value. And let's try to run the solution. Yes, I get the error in the case number 3. Why? Because I did not handle the duplicates value. Right here I get the 2, 2, 3, 1. So I did not get the value here. I did not handle this case. So for that we have to handle this by if let's say if nums of I is equal to maximum value, let's assume, or nums of I is equal to second maximum value, or nums of I is equal to third maximum value, then just simply continue. There is no updation for this. Means like here I get the, for this case scenario, let me take out this 2, 2, 1, 1 array. Here is it 2, 2, 3, 1. Now I have three values, maximum, second maximum, and the third maximum. So wait a second. So on the first loop, means when I is equal to 0, all the threes are the infinity. So here maximum get the 2 value because 2 is greater than the minus infinity. Then in the second case again the 2 comes. So here it's means again it get the 2 means it does not pass this solution, but means first case, but it comes to this and nums of I is greater than the second max, so it takes the 2 value. So for handle that case we have to check if nums of I is equal to maximum, then continue. There is no means no need to update the means second maximum or third maximum for that. So for that we just continue. Then again we get the 3 and we check whether the 3 is greater than max. Yes. So third maximum get the second maximum value, that is infinity, and second maximum value get the 2 here, and maximum get the 3. And now third is already the minus infinity. So in the for the 1 value I get we check nums of I is greater than max, means 1 is greater than max, no. 1 is greater than second max, no. Now 1 is greater than third max, yes, because it is minus infinity, but here I have the 1, so it is greater than 1. So I just update the third value with the 1, second value again comes to the 2, and third value again comes to the maximum value again comes to the 3. So by this I get the maximum, second maximum, and the third maximum values. So let's try to again run the solution. So these are the small edge cases for this type of solution. Let's try to submit. You have to handle these by in the interview, while in the interviews. So here key takeaways for this solution is like always handle the distinct value and avoid the sorting if not needed. Like in the first solution we sort the array, but without sorting we get the optimal solution, right? This one by using 3 variables only, and use the single pass technique for the optimal solution. Like here we just pass the one for loop here. And brute force solution time complexity here is the big of n log n due to the sorting, and space complexity also the big of n due to this new set we create. And the optimal solution here is the big of n time complexity due to the one for loop only, and space complexity is the big of 1 because we are not using any extra array or any extra set. So that is for today's problem. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your doubts if any, and subscribe to JDCodebase for more LeetCode solution. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep coding, keep growing.